Hello and welcome to Meisum. Today, unlike my earlier Meisum episode, which is usually an interview, let's go on a trip to Northeast. The sky is clear and perfect day to travel after a long time. I'll be heading to Shillong, but before that, let's maintain the latest SOP. The latest SOP requires us to carry a double doses vaccine certificate, and if you don't have it, you are required to carry a RT-PCR test report. So make sure that you carry those certificates. I am starting this trip from Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, and I'll be landing at Guwahati Airport. The states of Northeast are blessed with scenic natural beauty, pleasant weather, rich biodiversity, rare wildlife, historical sites, distinct culture and ethnic heritage, and warm and welcoming people. The region offers unforgettable experiences. You can come and experience the unique culture, food, festival and natural beauty this region offers. Welcome to Northeast India. The flight duration from Kolkata to Guwahati is about 50 minutes only. So it's important to note that because of the short duration flight, you will not get the onboard services. Another important thing to note is that when you land at Guwahati, you'll be required to produce your double vaccination certificate. Otherwise, you'll be required to go through the mandatory RT-PCR testing at Guwahati Airport. Then only you'll be allowed to go out of the airport. The distance from Guwahati to Shillong is about 100 kilometers and it takes about 3 hours. Shillong is known for its serene and natural beauty, also known as the Scotland of the East. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations in India, and if you are in need of detox or peaceful vacation, Shillong is the place for you. Sorry for recording the video in odd aspect ratio. I've taken few photographs and I'd like to show it to you all. Shillong is not just the major tourist destination, but it is also the major education center for all the Northeast students in the region. So after my short stay here at Shillong, it's finally time to go back to Guwahati. But one final stop is here at Umiam Lake Viewpoint to enjoy this breathtaking view of the Umiam Lake. This mesmerizing man-made reservoir, popularly known as Parapani, is located at a distance of 15 kilometers north of Shillong. It was formed after a dam was constructed to generate hydroelectric power. The scenic Umiam Lake is surrounded by lush green Iskasi hills that form one of the best panoramic sites for the nature lovers in the country. And this is the end of my trip to Shillong. Next, I'm traveling to Nagaland. See you all in the next episode. Thank you. Bye.